In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry images on your Shopify products. We've all been there, excited to update our online store, only to find that our product images just don't look quite as sharp as we'd like them to be. So, let's dive right in and get those photos looking as crisp and clear as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, have a look at the left panel on your screen. You're going to click on Products. This is where you'll find a list of all the items available in your store. Scroll through and select the product that has the blurry image. Click on this product, and you'll be taken to a page with all the details pertaining to it. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you should be able to see the image along with its resolution details. It's important to remember that resolution plays a significant role in how an image appears on your site. So, if you notice that the resolution of the image is quite small, that's likely the reason for the blurriness. Images with a lower resolution tend to look fuzzy because there aren't enough pixels to display them sharply on the web. In this case, you'll need to replace the current image with a new one that has a higher resolution. But what if the image resolution is already high, and it still looks blurry? Well, this situation indicates that the original image itself, how it was taken or edited, is blurry. Unfortunately, there isn't a simple fix within Shopify for an original error like this, but you do have options. If replacing the image with another one just isn't feasible, don't worry. There are numerous third-party image upscalers available online that can help. These tools can take your existing image and enhance its size and clarity. The process usually involves uploading your image to the online upscaler, allowing it to work its magic, and then downloading the improved version. Once you have the upscaled image, you simply re-upload it to your Shopify product. These upscalers can sometimes add clarity and make images suitable for larger displays or higher resolution settings without sacrificing overall quality. And there you have it. That's all it takes to ensure your Shopify product images are looking their best. Clear, high-quality images contribute significantly to the appeal of your online store, potentially improving customer trust and increasing sales. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you present your products in the sharpest way possible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other content for more tips on optimizing your online store.